Mes soucis sont divers.
My concerns are many.
Il y a d'abord cette situation anarchique qui s'est
There's
développée
first this anarchy that is developing
dans la partie nord du pays,
in the northern part of the country,
où l'armée n'a pas un seul représentant.
where the armed forces don't have one representative right now.
Is it your position that the United States is attempting to meet the Carter Agreement, or that it is not really attempting to live up to the Carter
La
Agreement?
violence,
The accord was signed to avoid violence,
pour éviter l'effusion de sang
to avoid bloodshed,
et pour promouvoir la paix.
and to promote peace.
C'est ce que nous espérions.
This is what we hoped. But in Port-au-Prince and in the northern part of the country, we have more and more scenes of violence. There's looting, and there's food depots that are being looted by mobs.
What if the Parliament does not agree to amnesty? What would you do?
J'espère bien qu'ils arriveront à le faire,
I hope Parliament will be able to pass the amnesty laws.
mais généralement, la mentalité, l'état d'esprit des militaires haïtiens,
But in general, the state of mind of the Haitian military personnel right now is that they don't believe very much in the value of that amnesty law.
General, you have told me before, number one, that you will step down as leader of the Haitian military on or before October 15th. Does that remain your position?
oui, ça n'a pas changé.
My position has not changed.
And General, you've also told me before that you do not intend to leave Haiti, that indeed you are determined to stay in Haiti. Has your position on that changed?
Non, ça n'a pas changé.
That hasn't changed either.
General Cedras also said he is concerned about the potential for violence during marches and protests planned, he says, by Aristide people for Friday. That's the third anniversary of the Haitian military coup that ousted President Aristide. As he has been doing for weeks, Aristide declined today to be interviewed by CBS News. He is still in the United States. Connie?